Today we are going to talk about the similarities and differences between the structure of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. We'll start by discussing the structure of DNA.
DNA is a long polymer composed by two helical strands of polynucleotides, one going up and the other going down. These polynucleotides are the building blocks of DNA and are made up of three parts: a phosphate group, a 5-carbon sugar, and a nitrogenous base. Going further, there are 4 different nitrogenous bases in DNA, including adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine. These nitrogenous bases can be split into 2 categories. The first is 2 purine bases, which are composed of adenine and guanine. The other is 2 pyrimidine bases, made up of cytosine and thymine. Purine bases have 2 carbon-nitrogen ring bases, while pyrimidine only has 1 carbon-nitrogen ring base. The bond between A and T is a double bond, while the bond between C and G forms a triple bond. These bonds are what form strands of DNA, which are connected by hydrogen bonds, creating the double helix structure. While RNA is similar to DNA in many ways, I'm going to highlight some of the key differences between the two. Firstly, DNA's structure is double-stranded, while RNA is only single-stranded. Secondly, RNA has a different nucleotide, uracil, instead of thymine. Also, the sugar is different. RNA has ribose sugar, while DNA has deoxyribose sugar. There are 3 different commonly known types of RNA. These include messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosome RNA, which are present in all organisms. Messenger RNA carries codes from the DNA in the nucleus to sites of protein synthesis in the cytoplasm. Transfer RNA carries the amino acids to ribosomes where they are linked to proteins. Ribosome RNA forms the protein synthesizing organelle known as ribosome acid, which is then transported to the cytoplasm. In conclusion, the summary of this presentation can be seen in the table above. We went over the differences and similarities between DNA and RNA, including the number of strands in a molecule, the types of sugar in the nucleotide, the base contained in each, the subunits, and the nucleotide compounds. Thank you for listening.